Hey there. So welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we are diving into the exciting world of TikTok and discussing some effective strategies to make money on the platform. So whether you are an aspiring influencer or simply looking to monetize your content, so we've got you covered. So let's get started. So please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Please toggle on the notification bell to receive notification anytime I drop a new episode. So the number one thing you need to do is, and please like this video and let this information go viral, and please make sure you watch this episode till the end. Number one thing you need to do is you need to build a niche. So choose specific niche and theme that you have or theme that you are passionate about, whether it is comedy, fashion, beauty, or cooking. So finding your niche will help attract a loyal following who share your interest. So this is crucial for building your TikTok brand and generating income. So number two is you need to create engaging content. So the key to success on TikTok is creating engaging and high quality content. Experiment with different video formats such as tutorials, challenges, or duets, so to keep your audience entertained. So the more unique and captivating your content is, the more likely it is to go viral and attract a follower. So the number three thing you need to do is you need to be consistent. Your consistency is actually the key. So consistency is vital when it comes to building a following and attracting brand partnerships. So post regularly to keep your audience engaged and stay active in the TikTok community. Aim for the least at least one or two videos per day, but make sure you maintain quality over quantity. Please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and toggle on the notification bell to receive notification anytime I drop a new episode. And please like this video and let this information go viral. So the number four thing you need to do is utilize hashtags. So hashtags are crucial on TikTok for increasing discoverability. Utilize relevant and trending hashtags to expand the reach of your videos. So take advantage of TikTok challenges and participate in them while including these designated hashtags. This can help your content go viral and gain exposure to new audiences. So the number five thing you need to do is engage with your audience. So TikTok is all about building a community. Respond to comments, engage with your followers, and collaborate with other TikTokers. Building relationships and a loyal fan base will increase your chances of attracting brand partnerships or getting noticed by potential sponsors. So number six thing you need to do is partner with brands. Brand collaborations, and sponsorship are a common way to make money on TikTok. So as your following grows, brands may approach you for promotional opportunities. Alternatively, reach out to brands that align with your niche and propose a partnership. So remember, it is important to only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Number seven thing you need to do is live streaming and virtual gifts. So TikTok's live streaming feature is a fantastic way to engage with your audience in real time. So viewers can send you virtual gift during your live sessions, which can be converted into real money. So strive to create engaging live streams with interactive questions and answers, challenges, or performances to encourage gifts giving. So number eight thing you need to do is enter contests and challenges. TikTok frequently hosts contests, challenges with cash prizes. So participate in these challenges to showcase your creativity and potentially win some money in the process. So keep an eye out for sponsor challenges so that offer monetary reward and aim to create compelling and unique content that stand out. So the number 19 you need to do is leverage the TikTok creator fund. So if you qualify, so consider joining the TikTok creator fund. This program allows creators to earn money based on their video views and engagement. While this program is not available in all regions, so it is worth checking if you are eligible to participate and earn some extra income from your TikTok content. So please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and toggle the notification bell in order not to miss any future episodes. And please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let this information go viral. The number thing you need to do now is cross promote on other platforms. Leverage your TikTok success by cross promoting your content on other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or a personal blog. So expand your audience reach and establish yourself as a multi-platform influencer. So attracting potential brand partnerships and sponsorships opportunities. So, and that's a wrap up of our episode on how to make money on TikTok. So remember, building a successful TikTok career takes time and effort. To stay consistent, engage with your audience, and continue creating authentic and um, engaging content. I hope you find these tips helpful. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. I promise you. So thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. My name is Usman. Bye for now.